Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll show you how to reset your KAF 300U Wi-Fi extender to its factory settings. If you're having trouble with your extender or just want to start fresh, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. We'll explain how to locate the reset button, how long to press it, and what to expect during the reset. After the reset, you'll be able to reconfigure your extender as if it were brand new. Follow along for simple and clear instructions. First of all, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the KAF 300U extender. Resetting the KAF 300U extender is necessary when you're facing connectivity issues, such as a weak signal, frequent dropouts, or trouble connecting to the network. It can also be helpful if you've forgotten the admin password or made changes to the settings that caused the extender to malfunction. Resetting the device restores it to its factory settings, wiping out any errors or misconfigurations and allowing you to start fresh. This can improve the extender's performance and help reconnect it properly to your Wi-Fi network. So let's start the process. Now find the small reset button on the extender. It's usually on the side or the bottom of the device. You may need a pin or a paperclip to press it. Make sure the Wi-Fi extender is plugged into a power source and turned on. The indicator lights should be on, confirming the device is active. Using a pin, press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You should see the lights on the device either blink or turn off momentarily, signaling that the reset process has started. Release the reset button, and the device will restart. It can take up to a few minutes for the extender to fully reboot. Once completed, all settings will be restored to factory defaults. Note, once the KAF 300U Wi-Fi extender has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup provided by Setup Guide. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.